Welcome everybody to the content of electrical that we're going to do. As you see, we pointed out that one of them is our traveler, the other one is our switch leg, and we cut it with our box knife at the very end, and we're able to pull the insulation away from the 12-2 Romex, and that way you don't cut into the wire up high. The first thing I do is I take the switch leg and move it out of the way, take my wire strippers, cut away the insulation and the paper. We will take the neutrals and get those ready. Just a second. All right, so I'm getting the neutrals. White wires, the Romex. I strip those back, and I'll take out my Kleins, and I'll make a wire joint on them real quick, twist them up nice and neat. Take a wire nut, twist it on there pretty nice and tight. Then I'll roll this thing up, and I push it in the back of the box because you don't need it, but if you ever do need it on a switch, it is there. And I take our ground wires, I twist them up with the Kleins. Right now it's not showing you exactly, but the position of the Kleins, they're kind of like side cutters, 9-inch pliers, Lymans, whatever you say. You twist it up about 6 times, then you roll, put the greenie on there. It's got a hole on it. Slide it in there, make a good tight connection with them, push those in the box. Then I take the switch leg and I wrap it around the 2 travelers on this specific switch, on this 3-way. I cut off the remaining and then accordion it, kind of like an accordion fold, place it in there, and it's done. Go to the next one. Here we are on the next one. You got the 12-3 with the travelers, and then you got the other one that is the power. Here I am taking in my box knife again, and then will allow me to rip this sheathing off of the 12-2 and the 12-3. Now I know some of you guys have different technical names, and being that this is the first video of this channel, I'm going to get better as we go. I've got a lot of content to share with you guys, some of you DIYers, for the guys that really are looking forward to trying to kind of do some of this stuff on their own. But I do want to warn you, we are licensed, bonded, and insured electricians. I am a master electrician, and I do this all the time. So those of you that want the security of a professional to do it, I recommend that you hire an electrician or a tradesman professionally to do certain tasks. That way you are covered if something ever happens. But for those of you that want to learn exactly what we're doing, this is the other side of the switch. It's actually in a garage. I'm a master electrician here in Arkansas. As you can see, I have my Lymans. They cut on one side, so I try to keep that cutting angle from it. And also, you see, it was kind of hard for those Lymans to cut through there because we had an accident with them at one time. I'm not a perfect electrician, but I do have a lot of great knowledge I'd like to share with the audience. So anyway, I am licensed and bonded in Arkansas, and we have a lot of content coming your way. I'm taking now, this is the power, wrapping it around the travelers, as we did the same common one on the other one, which was the switch leg, and the travelers go switch to switch. We'll have more content for you later. Like and subscribe. Thank you.